Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning to all participants of the conference. The third Lawang Sewu International Symposium on Engineering and Applied Sciences, organized by Universitas Muhammadiyah Semarang, Unimus. Thank you very much for inviting me as one of the keynote speaker for the conference. This keynote has been recording earlier because the date of the conference has been postponed to this year. It is supposed to be last year in December 2024, but due to certain circumstances, the organizer postponed to this day, and I couldn't make myself attend online, so that I record these keynotes to be delivered today. I wish I could come to Semarang to join you to the conference, but because I have been told by the organizer the keynotes have to be online, so unfortunately I couldn't come. I like travel, especially to Indonesia. Last year I went to a few places in Surabaya, Yogyakarta, Riau, and yeah, but never mind. For today keynotes, this will be online. So I would like to share my keynotes speech keynotes today with the topics of empowering intelligent system, vision and image processing in the age of artificial intelligence, IoT, and data analytics. Let me share with you the slide presentation. Hopefully we can try to get information from the presentation. So I hope you can see the slide right now. So this is the topics for my speech today. It is about the AI, intelligent system, specifically in image processing or computer vision system, which this is my field of interest, and I do a lot of research in computer vision and image processing in the University Malaysia Pahang. So my name is Kamarul Hawari Ghazali from University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah, formerly known as University Malaysia Pahang, UMP, but has been rebranded to the new name, University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah. So this is the topic that we are going to talk today, the particularly on image processing, where it can be also categorized as artificial intelligence. And we also touch a little bit on data analytics in the environment of Internet of Things. So when we talk about intelligent system, This is the component that can be related to intelligent system. The intelligent system is actually very wide, but the IoT, image processing, data analytics, signal processing, the algorithm to implement the image processing is considered as the artificial intelligence. So when we talk about the image processing or computer vision, uh, this method or algorithm uh, can be used to enabling intelligent system and can make our technology uh, considered as autonomous, because image processing or computer vision considered as eye to a machine, so it can be uh, independently walk or run by themselves. So it has given a lot of impact to the industries such as healthcare, manufacturing, agriculture, disaster management, electrical electronics, mechanical, automotive, so on so forth. So this is the something that for me disrupt the technology of the autonomous. Before this, we have a lot of autonomous technology, but it may be just used in a sector like a factory, in a factory manufacturing. It is not common widely used by people or community. But when it's come to the automotive, or to be more specific, car, so everybody will be using, because everybody use car. So this is the technology that disrupt of this disrupt the intelligence system. To be more specific, the method in the uh, autonomous system, where we are focusing on uh, deep learning. So Tesla have this technology, they call it autonomous driving system, where we can drive car without need to uh, hold a steering, or we can just sit at the back of the car, and all is done automatically by the system. It can be detected even more better than human for certain cases. But of course, uh, um, for the certain situation, maybe human decision is better than the autonomous. But this is a company, I mean, who are start to give spike to the AI industry, which is in the um, automotive industry. If you look at the other application where computer vision and sensor is combined together, and um, it can be used to in a lot of application. For example, in this Amazon Go, uh, a new experience of shopping in Amazon Go shop, where there is no cashier to for you to pay your stuff. You know, when you pick up the things on the shelf, when you check out or pass through the gate, it will automatically deduct the um the money from your e-wallet. So yeah, it is a new shopping experience. Yeah, it's no longer rely to cashier for you to pay your goods, but then it is all automatic. So that less worker, so the worker can can be used to work on another sector. All right. So this is the combination of um, vision system uh, and sensor. Vision system and sensors detect when products are taken or returned to the shelf, while machine learning AI models analyze this data to manage inventory and customer behavior. So very interesting. So this is the power of vision and image processing. It is actually the two different terms, but it can be said as a um, similar application. Image processing is a term or method to handle an image. Computer vision is a application of the image processing. So how vision system interpret and analyze visual data in real time? Advanced by using deep learning and machine learning in image processing, make the image can be visualized in real time or make decision in real time. So it give a lot of benefits, autonomous decision making, improve efficiency and higher accuracy. So image processing is about to process an image and to generate another image, but computer vision to process an image to produce desired results in real time. So this is the differences between these two terms of image processing and computer vision, but this computer vision require method in image processing. So when we apply or integrate the vision system to any machine, we consider as the machine can work autonomously. So this is the latest one. It's not it's not really the latest, but it has been introduced in 20 last year, 2024. The robot, they call it Optimus robot. So it rely to multiple cameras and vision sensor to see its surrounding. So this is all equipped by sensor, a camera, and a few sensors to make sure that this robot uh, can autonomously operate. So it uses a real-time image processing and depth perception to identify obstacle, to recognize people, object, and helping to perform a certain task. If you look at the list of the vision system on this Tesla Optimus robot, it has a multi-camera array, depth sensor, processing unit, image processing unit, object recognition, SLAM, infrared sensor, gesture, facial recognition, and self-correction system. So it has a lot of instrument, especially camera, to make sure that it can perform the autonomous with high efficient and high accuracy. So everything is about camera. It is very important technology or field on the computer vision and image processing. If you have interested to do research in this field, come and join my team in University Malaysia Pahang, Sultan Abdullah. We are located 3 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur. Currently, I have 9 PhD students with me. Half of them is from Indonesia. So come and join my team to do the research in intelligent system. Now we have this technology, we call it Internet of Things, which is now is very established. Even we can just do a project of IoT easily because you can get all the system on the shelf. But when we integrate the vision system to the IoT, or part of the IoT is vision system, then it is become a very powerful Internet of Things, because you have one of the input or of the parameter of the IoT is coming from the uh, um, vision or computer vision or image processing together with the other sensors. So this is another part or another field where when we integrate the image processing or computer vision system into the IoT system, it's become more efficient, and the system become more powerful. We can say like that. All right. Um, when we are talking about the IoT in intelligent vision system, so this is all the benefit or the characteristic of the intelligent vision system in the role of IoT: seamless connectivity, real-time data processing, and enhanced decision making and insights. When we have IoT, we have a lot of data, and then we can do another level of analysis, which we call it data analytics. When you combine this all, then the system is become very, very intelligent and smart. It is not only rely to the computer vision. This computer vision work together with another sensor and it's become IoT. Then we collect that data to perform the data analytics. So this data analytics can help the business owner or engineer, factory, to make a better decision, because all the decision uh, can be based on the data, or we call it data analysis. Okay. How integrated IoT with mission vision will revolutionize the industrial world. So as I said just now, that we can have the another parameter of in the IoT system, where that parameter is coming from computer vision. So it has another additional sensor, not only rely to the ordinary sensor like temperature, proximity sensor, but we have another input sensor to the IoT, which is from the machine vision system. So if this machine vision system can be part of IoT, it can be uh, integral to industrial IoT itself, where the visual data captured by the system serve as a sensor input. So we have another input together with the ordinary sensor, which that input is the vision. So it can become a broader sensing capabilities. Then all the data can be analyzed by using machine learning. So there are three important parts in the system, which is IoT, computer vision system, and the data analysis. So additional input to the IoT is the computer vision system, and our data analytics can be more powerful because we have additional input from the computer vision system. So this is how this is how the integrated industrial Internet of Things with machine vision will revolutionize the industrial world. Very interesting. So when we go to the details of machine vision, now I would like to share with you to the very specific topics on the machine vision itself. Because I've been doing this since 2005, almost 20 years. So I can see the evolution of the image processing, computer vision, and machine vision. Uh, um, in fact, we call it traditional machine vision and modern machine vision. So what is this traditional machine vision? So this is the traditional machine vision, or to be more specific, image processing. Um, Before this is the way how we process an image. I mean, we still have this process and still implement this process, but slowly, like we don't use it anymore. But this is uh, previously how image processing being doing. We have the input image, we perform feature extraction, get features, find a classifier, then do the detection of helmet, for example. So it has a few steps before the um, before the detection. But when uh, the modern method of image processing, there is no longer step by step like the traditional one. We have now input image. We just train the input image, then the model uh, can directly perform the detection and classification without need to do step by step like the traditional image processing. So we also have the advancements in camera technology. So this is another things on in image processing or in machine vision, which also people do a lot of research in camera technology itself. It means that the technology related to the resolution, related to the lens, related to the speed, so on and so forth. If you look at this technology uh, uh, related to the camera, so this is a technology where in one equipment where it has 9 surrounding camera, and each camera can capture object as far maximum distance up to 250 meters. So this is equipment uh, in uh, in a Tesla. It has approximately 9 camera, including the inside the cabin camera. So it's rely a lot on the image processing, because the image processing is like the human eye. I mean, computer vision. Okay. So AI and deep learning in machine vision. What is the relation of this AI and deep learning in machine vision? Machine vision itself is AI, but when we go to very details or very deep on the algorithm of machine vision, so that algorithm also can be considered as AI when we use deep learning. Okay. So I would like to share my research work, particularly on the AI or machine learning, as well as image processing. Because we don't have much time, I would like to share just a few projects. If you are interested to know more details, just communicate with me through email or through WhatsApp. So this is one of our project in the university or in my lab, uh, enhancing small medium enterprise or small business productivity through smart process. This is a project that related to um, SME. One is the quality inspection of biscuitware. Biscuitware is a plate, producing a plate, pinggan, piring. Yeah? And another project is improving fish farm management through AI and data analytics. We are involving with the fish farmer, patin. Here is very famous, patin fish. And another project is broiler. Broiler is pork chicken meat, implementing modern practice with smart AI driven. So this is the we introducing automatic inspection of biscuitware. They have more than 22 defects of the biscuit. They call it biscuit. But at a certain stage of producing plate or piring too, uh, there are stage they call it biscuitware. So we implement computer vision, quality inspection of biscuitware to detect the defect on the piring. So this is the system. At that time, when we developed the computer vision system, we still use the traditional method. We use MATLAB, but now we are no longer use MATLAB. All my students are using Python, and because this is, I think, last 2 years or last 3 years ago, so we still use MATLAB. But of course, when come to the commercialize, is sometimes it's difficult to. I mean, it's costly to use MATLAB because we have to pay the license. And the method still use the traditional method. But now all my students no longer use this traditional method. They are all use the deep learning. So this is the final product of the plate. They have the glassware, tableware. As I told you just now that uh, we do we did the quality inspection at the biscuitware stage. So I share with you the video. Hopefully you can see this video. Oh, it cannot play on the slide. Never mind. If you want to see the video, I can send you this link of video. Okay. So our next project here, we also introduce uh, a system for the fish farmer. We call it improving fish farm management through AI and data analytics. We develop this dashboard. We collect all the data. So that data including data from computer vision as well to detect the fish behavior, as well as the data from water quality, data from food, data from mortality, all the possible data we collect together with the data from the vision system, because we want to analyze the data to see whether the SOP of the farm is correct or not. So we expect that this management system by using AI and data analytics can improve farmer to have more productivity. So this is the dashboard. We collect all the data or start from the beginning of the fish fry after the 6 months of harvesting. From there, we can analyze the data and see whether the practice is good or not. If the practice is not good, then the farmer can improve for the next cycle of farm. So this is we also have one feeder, but this is not our main focus. The main focus is to collect all the possible data. Then from the data, we implement or apply machine learning to see the standard operating procedure of the farmer, whether it is good practice or not. And we also have the vision system to see the active or non-active of fish, especially uh, uh, at the fish food, because 60% of the operation of farm is coming from the food. So if we can save a bit on the food by um, by using the vision system to see the behavior of the fish, and then we can save this 60% of the operation of the farmer where it is coming from the food. So this is the feeder, but the most important is on the data analytics from the fish behavior, uh, data from food, and any data, then the result that we get from the data analysis is very useful to the farmer to take a certain action. So, um, this is the time where we need to help the small medium enterprise, the small business owner, to use the technology so that they can improve their productivity and their production. Like as I shared to you just now, we help the farmers, we help the biscuit ware or factory. We also help the we also have the another project where we help the the chicken broiler farmer. So when you have the knowledge, it is a time for you to go and share your knowledge to the community so that they can also benefit from the knowledge that you have. Okay, so this is about how the AI and data analysis and vision system can help the small medium enterprise to stay competitive in today's rapidly evolving market. So it can enhance efficiency, cost reduction, improve productivity, data driven innovation growth, and long term success. Some of the SME, they are not realized of the latest technology, so that's our function or roles to help them to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving market. So as researcher, you all are researcher, you are publish paper in this conference, you do research. So let's help this SME, small medium enterprise, listen to their challenge and provide the solution to them, especially use the latest technology, AI or sensors to help them to improve the productivity. So we have another project, which I think because we are running out of time, I don't want to go to very details on this part, but the concept is similar to the other project, which we have the IoT, we implement machine learning, we analyze data to improve the productivity of a chicken broiler. Broiler. So when we implement this AI, IoT, and data analytics, it can benefit because the AI enable insights for instant adjustment, efficiency, and cost reduction. And the most important is any decision is based on the data, or where we call it data-driven decision. So that's all from me. Hopefully, my sharing today can benefit you, or you get some information about this computer vision, about this artificial intelligence and data analytics, how this can be combined together, and we can do research focusedly on this field. And it's not only to do research, but we also need to think um, to help community or business owners, small business or OMKM to increase their productivity. That's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention, joining my keynote session. Hope to see you again in next conference. Thank you very much. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.